In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the order number in WooCommerce. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with WooCommerce, having control over your order numbers can greatly enhance the way you manage your store, helping both you and your customers easily keep track of transactions. So, let's walk through the process together, step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub, where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing and managing your site. Once you're here, look towards the left sidebar, where you'll find a variety of options. Focus on the Plugins section. Hover over or click on it, and then select Add New from the subsequent options that appear. The Plugins area is essentially where you can find additional tools to extend the functionality of your site. In the Add Plugins section, there's a search bar, usually located at the top. Type in Custom Order Numbers for WooCommerce and press Enter. This tool is what we need to create custom order numbers that suit our preferences. Once the search results pop up, look for the plugin that's specifically designed for WooCommerce and go ahead and click Install Now. The plugin will start downloading and installing onto your site. After a few seconds, you'll see a button that says Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin so it becomes fully operational. Now that the plugin is up and running, we can dive into the settings. Head over to the WooCommerce section in the left menu of your dashboard. You'll find it under the Settings tab, where most WooCommerce configurations live. Once inside WooCommerce settings, find the Custom Order Numbers section. Clicking this will bring you to the interface where you can tweak how your order numbers are generated. In this area, you can set a starting number. This is particularly useful if you're migrating from a different system and wish for continuity in your order numbering. Simply insert the number you'd like new orders to start from. You can also add a prefix or suffix to your order numbers. This little addition could be a useful code to signify certain campaigns or even simply branding your order references more distinctly. Another option is to define the order number length. Want your numbers to maintain a consistent length? You can specify exactly how many digits should appear in an order number. This can be an effective way to ensure uniformity in your records. Finally, there's the option to reset order numbers on a regular basis, whether daily, monthly, or yearly. This can be a handy feature for those who prefer to start fresh periodically, perhaps at the beginning of each year or month. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can customize your WooCommerce store to better align with your business needs. By taking control of your order numbers, you're taking a big step towards efficient and clear order management. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.